Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another trading series of intraday trading, scalping, and not only, because today we'll focus on something a little bit different, but we'll also do the plannings for what I expect on Bitcoin and how I would play, or actually how I will protect my capital in the upcoming period. Because as you know, we are approaching very, very important news. I think most important news from this year. And as we well observed on 5-15 minutes chart yesterday here on this area, we can see we had a clear setup, but we discussed about the fact that it's too beautiful to to hold and too nice to be true. And that's what it was, because in the end it failed, and we had a shark entry from PJ's combo, and we'll discuss a little bit about what I expect on the upcoming period on Bitcoin and how we should take advantage of the upcoming volatility. Let's retweet. Let's gather more people here, and let me know if everything is all right. It should be. It should be. Okay, let me code. Okay. So guys, if you can, would be really nice if you can retweet or like or comment, because the algo is working really, really well when people are commenting, people are interacting with a post. So not only that you need to retweet, you can just comment I don't know, okay. You can comment whatever you like, but it's helpful. Okay, let me notify VIP. Okay. Well, at least interesting period, I have to say, because Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin doesn't care about what's going on. I mean, this is not a dip. Bitcoin is still strong. The uptrend is intact. Look at 4 hours. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bitcoin, I don't know. Even the focus should not be on it. Just my 2 cents, because it's strong. It's really, really strong. Um, just take in comparison Bitcoin and how beaten the altcoins are. I mean, look at the overall altcoins on daily, and this is a strong one. Tau is a strong one. But let's check some, I don't know, basic altcoins like Ape, H bar here, Dot, for example, Pepe. Yeah, whatever altcoin you might take, they are destroyed in comparison to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin can even go to 64,000. It can retest this gap here, 63,000, and still be in a bullish order flow, because swing low, swing high. Okay, this one technically should hold because it's the higher low which created a new higher high. We can swing failure that one and then still be bullish. So do I worry about Bitcoin? Not at all. It's absolutely strong. And the uptrend, it's still intact. There's no signs of weakness. I mean, I'm not looking at indicators, but at market structure. And this is just a normal correction like we had here. Here we had the same stuff. I remember everyone was chilling even higher. here, everyone the same stuff was calling higher. And even here, I know I posted exactly this stop. I said, okay, everyone is calling higher, we should reject. And there we go, we rejected. We created a nice swing failure of these highs. This is basic human emotions, basic psychology, call it whatever you want. This is how people are reacting. And when you see that we are at support and they are calling lower, it's time to buy. When you see that we are at supply and they are calling higher, it's time to sell. Pretty easy. Nothing that we can do. This is the human behavior, yeah. Um, I'll take some requests a little bit later. We are slowly starting the day, making some coffee, slowly but surely getting into the plans. I think I'll take out some. Okay, that one I get it. I'll take out some Hand of Midas coins because I'm interested in buying altcoins here. I'm not interested in buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it's risk to reward ratio from. I mean, don't have $1 million. If I would have had, yeah, I would have went with safer assets and maybe not even crypto. I would have went with stocks. But until I make my few millions, I'll play with altcoins. I was speaking with Bocian about Cetus. Okay, we deviated this high here, for example, but I'd really like to buy some around here. That would be a proper retracement. I have some limit orders waiting there. And also I promised to VIP some buying levels today, so I'll be diving into that one. 78.6 and this too. I'll not pause or anything. If you want the buy levels, just rewatch, pause. You know that. If you don't know that, basic basic YouTube skill can't help. Okay, Cetus, Turbos, USDT, Turbos, KuCoin. I'm long on Turbos. Seems like I've been filled on this one and already up nicely. I was speaking with Bocian on Hand of Midas with Bocian about this one. We have a nice fill. Retested the W and boom, nice reaction here. Let's put an entry here. Maybe you guys have some luck and get another entry. But nice W's. I see W's everywhere on this one. Okay, Turbos. Let me check again. Hand of Midas. Hand of Midas. Hand. Okay. Man, I need a coffee now. We'll go into some requests. No worries, Trolex. We'll go in some request. Okay, Tia, Dolan. I'll focus on coins that we have on. This the one that I have on Mexi or Coinex or. I know people on my group they are hunting an entry on Quill. Tatsu, even this one. Tatsu, you can buy it on Mexi, guys. I had a feel. I have 3 waiting limit orders on Tatsu. You know Tatsu, it's a meta for Tao. Okay. A beta for Tao. Tatsu. There you go. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Man, really, I need a coffee. I need to wake up. On Bitcoin, I'm not interested, guys. I'm not interested. I took a shark long from PJ. We had an entry here. I put a stop loss at 88.6, so it's a little bit different. But the thing is that I'm really not interested in doing anything to Bitcoin here. And my recommendation is to absolutely ignore Bitcoin, especially when this one is here. Okay, it can grind higher, but let's think in uh, areas. In trading, you think in probabilities, yeah? You will never catch exactly the bottom on something. But as soon as Bitcoin dominance started getting into supply, into shorter low zone here, I think it's a good area to focus on some altcoins because the higher it goes, the more beaten up they are. And this is the area for what? This is the area for what? For selling your house. For what? For accumulating your altcoins. You don't want to accumulate them here when Bitcoin dominates at 40%. You want to accumulate them when I'm speaking like he's a member of family of mine or something. You want to accumulate once this Bitcoin dominance gets into supply. So here, starting this point, because I was waiting a lot for this 61.8, and not that I was right, seems like my patience paid off. I mentioned 4 months ago about Bitcoin dominance going here. It was around here. It was at 52, and I mentioned about going to 62. Um, because it's obvious. I don't know from from the things that I learned from Poland, the things that I read because I read a lot. I read a ton of trading books and stuff like that and PDFs. Some good, some bad. Yeah, don't care. But I'll take the good things and then I apply them to the market and I saw if they are useful for me or not. And you get the idea. Um, it was in a little bit obvious the fact that Bitcoin dominance was going on 61.8. People were started calling a bull market alt season since here, since 38.2. I remember that on July, November last year. Well, we are now is the moment when you want to pay some attention. Just my 2 cents. Yeah, the higher it goes the higher it goes in the supply, the better for us. And also here, others represents all the altcoins. I don't know. Maybe I'm a little bit too conservative with my target, but I didn't want it to panic anyone. But tell me, what do you see here on monthly? This is not textbook, then I think Paul can use this one for couple one. And I mentioned about it rejecting here. Yeah, you can see the clear M here, M structure, double top. We have an M on weekly. Well, maybe you will ask me, okay, I don't have money now or something like that. Well, focus on a type of DCA because this M on weekly, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks to form. At least 2 more months, in my point of view, my 2 cents, at least 2 more months, maybe, because it will retest the neckline and then reject and go lower here. So I think we'll have November, December, even January, we'll have a dump because technically on M, you have it formed, you have the breakdown, which we have now, you have the retest, which will be a slight pump, then rejection, and then it reaches the area of support where you will look for longs. So it's good to buy here at the initial rejection. Don't buy here because it will be again the top. I think once this one will pump a little bit, everyone will call new all-time highs, but it will be the local top again. Just my 2 cents. And it should dump into 88.6 fib here at weekly 200 EMA confluence with this order block here and this 170, 160,000, 100 million. Did I bore you guys to death? Hopefully not. So that would mean a dump of about 15% in others. Taking each coin in particular, that would mean about 20 or even 30% dump on overall markets, altcoins. And that, guys, because I'm working with plans, I really do not care. This is not an opinion. This is a plan, what I'm doing here. It's a plan. It's not an opinion. I'm using Fibonacci. Fibonacci is not an opinion. Fibonacci is a tool, a technical tool that helps me create my plan. Okay. Keep this in mind. Yeah. So if others will correct, if Bitcoin dominance is okay, it's grinding higher. You can see it. It's really strong. That comes in confluence with our targets for altcoins like FET. Paul and we discussed about potentially $1, under $1 here, 0.9, or even retesting the POC here at 73 cents. We didn't have a proper retest of long reload zone, and I don't think altcoins are that strong in this period to pump from. I mean, look at this M on weekly. I don't know. Maybe I'm stupid, but we are stupid indeed. But we prefer to make money. So I think we get a pump, initial pump here, like 10% pump, but again we'll dump. We'll dump here in this area, retest this supply. Yeah, supply now demand, and then maybe we form a double bottom, beautiful one, and then in March, yeah, buy when it's low, sell when it goes. So March, April, I think we have the breakout of the big neckline. Just my 2 cents. And it falls in confluence with a lot of altcoins, a lot of them. Tau, Tau, I think I killed this one. Literally, I killed absolutely every move. I mean, without uh, saying it in a stupid manner or anything, but I was held by the influencers, to be honest, because we bought here at 160, 170 bucks. We bought here. The chart is posted 8 months ago on VIP. I sold some here. I mentioned that this is the local top, and now we are waiting for it. People are saying that it's impossible for it to dump into. It's impossible for it to dump what? Where? To 61.8? Well, some of you, you know, where usually the altcoins are retracing to. Anyone knows? Where, what's the altcoins Fibonacci? Because, okay, Bitcoin works with 61.8, but altcoins, they don't work that good with 61.8. There you go, Elvis. There you go, man. Exactly, guys. Well, you guys are watching Crypto Traders Arena for a long time. You're not the public. Look at the previous 78.6. Excellent touch. Perfect reaction. People now are saying that it's impossible to go to 360. Well, I will look for some structure at 360 because I don't want to buy blindly. But blindly, a 78.6, it's all right. So having some orders at 274 bucks, 277 bucks, that's all right. And also, let's see how much it should dump. 34%, 35. But look at these three candles on weekly. Man, is this bullish to you? I don't know. For me, it's not bullish at all. Just my 2 cents, but we are stupid traders, guys. And it falls in confluence with a lot of altcoins. A lot of altcoins. I'm not going through all of them, but the plans are made. For example, near here, I need the dump in the 78.6 fib, which is again another 20%, 20, 30%. Yeah, dump. Um, I bought some here a little bit. Maybe we are just. The thing is, I'm going to make this test once again because I want you to let's go on most favorite shield coin from Twitter. In the end, these guys, they will be right. They will say, okay, you made money with my call. Yeah, I made. Okay, there we go. Bye. They will say, okay, it goes to $5,000. I think it can go. It can go to $5,000. I'm taking this randomly this coin, yeah, because it's public's favorite. $5,000. But Guys, the difference between public and us, educated traders, the ones that use clear plans and clear strategies, is that you will make a 7x on your portfolio, while we will make almost triple than what are you doing. And you will go back and say, okay, but he was right. And I made money with his call. Yeah, you made money with his call. But if you were a little bit smarter and if you would have had a better plan, instead of making a 7x of your $100,000, you would have made, yeah, about $2 million. You see the difference? This is the difference between a not public, intermediate trader, but the one who listens to influencers. And this is a real trader, a person who knows how to invest and how to trade. But I guess this is how we make money, because we make money thanks to majority, thanks to public, thanks to those 80 to 90% of people that are losing money. So if you tell me once again that it cannot go to 61.8, I'll just ignore. Yeah. And not only, yeah, I mentioned near AVAX. Let me show you AVAX. You think it's, look at weekly level. Look at the weekly M here. Dude, this the M's that we have right now on altcoins, they are textbook M's. I did some rewinding on weekend to see to check my bias and stuff like that. Look at 88.6 on AVAX. What the heck are you seeing here? What are you seeing here? POC 88.6 weekly fair value gap. Exactly. Look at this gap here. Look at all this gap. Okay, it might be one quick week to the downside. Yeah, that might be the case. But if we look left a little bit here, I think we are exactly in this period with altcoins. My 2 cents is that we are here and we might need, this is weekly, yeah, about 80, 90 days and the real fun begins. Just my 2 cents. We are here. Do I want to catch the exactly the bottom and be a greedy goblin? No, I wanted that. I don't want to do that mistake. I'll slowly, slowly fill my bags. Just my few cents, and you don't have to do what I'm doing. Look at the weekly M on AVAX, on Aave, sorry. Yeah, 61.8, it's way, long way from home. Do you want to buy Aave here? Are you that stupid to buy Aave here at exactly at the neckline when if I'm on 5 minutes, I would take this short. If I would be on 5 minutes, I would take this short, but this is a weekly, it's investment, something, yeah, different. And even if you look at POC and so on, okay, you get the point. You get the point. I'll bore you to death if I'm continuing, but keep at least to have one point covered. And when you're finishing, when we're finishing, be finishing this session, to remain with this thing in your head. And remember, oh, there is a stupid trader, Stefan, that told me, and Paul, because Paul rants about this all the time. We are listening because I started investing 2 years ago when Bitcoin was 17 to $20,000. I listened to Paul. I loaded my bags. I'm waiting since 2 years ago. So if you think that you're the only one that it's waiting for the altcoin season, you're very wrong. We are waiting for that one, but we are using plans. We are not calling for an altcoin season every day. And we are using plans. We are calling logical levels based on Fibonacci. Nothing crazy here. It's not rocket science. And we just like to buy good levels. This is the only thing. We are not bearish. We just enjoy to buy good levels. Give me good level. I don't care if that coin cured cancer. Give me a good level. This is the difference, guys. This is the big difference that you can make it, not because no one can make it for you. You either surround yourself with proper uh, community, because let me tell you one thing. It will be very difficult when altcoins will start pumping. They will say again buy, exactly like it happened with. I'm giving again Tau example. When we had this daily rally here, don't tell me that. Let's say not you subjectively, someone from here, but don't tell me that public bought here with me. When I said this inverse head and shoulder, I mentioned about it, and we longed it. I even have the print screen of this one, and we had a nice win. We bought here and here. I don't think public bought here. I think they bought here. So you get the idea. Make the difference between buying the tops and buying good levels. Now, okay, let's go to uh, take some request. Neiro, drop your request. Make some noise, guys, because the algo likes the chat to be active. The more active is the chat, the higher the algo propels the live. Yeah, you get the idea. Neiro, Neiro, I think Neiro, it will die. I'm taking this chart. M, retest, M, retest, M on 4 hour here, yeah. Bigger M, because I only see lower on this one. Um, I can see, and I mentioned something. I'm not going to give a name. Uh, I think that person, which name starts with M, he might call the local top on a lot of meme coins. That meme mania stuff, I think it will be ended by that dude. I don't know. That's my 2 cents. Just my 2 cents. So Neiro way lower. I expect a 50-40% retracement on Neiro at least. Okay. Okay. Sir. Sir, could you check ACH and VRA for a low leverage? Just delete that low leverage word. Leverage has nothing to do with trading. Absolutely nothing to do. Well, we are in a buying area, but we are starting to consolidate. We have an ugly M here, so we might reject this one and go lower. Maybe a swing failure of this lows. But because you said low leverage, I was thinking to skip the chart, but you know what leverage it's used for. So leverage, it's absolutely irrelevant in your PNL. The only thing that it's good and used for is using lower margin from your account. So if I use a 1 million leverage, I will use it if I have one. If I have a 1 million leverage, it's just the fact that I will use lower capital from my margin and I will borrow more from the exchange. It does absolutely nothing to do to your position. So getting back to your point, it's a range. If you want to treat this one like a range lows, yes, you can buy. But after this dump, look left, what happened. So we have the initial low, which would be here. So let's say that we are here and we have this initial pump. It goes into supply, reject again, makes another low, pumps again, traps a lot of people. Where will you put the stop loss here? This is liquidity, this is liquidity. I'm just asking for a friend. Where do you put the stop loss? Because he took the stop losses here once, twice. I don't know. Buy spot, maybe 78.6. Okay. No W, not even on 4 hours. No. So maybe buy spot a little bit. If you want to buy 1% ACH, buy 0.25 here and wait for some structure there. You can go way lower, way lower here. Very ah, very ah. Let's check very ah. Oh, I want a sweep of this low. It's way too close, but I don't want to be a greedy goblin because that one it's only a bit about 15% below our current area, and it has huge upside potential. So I'll not be that greedy goblin. You can buy some for investing. Um, you can buy some for investing here on Verea. Definitely, it's a good location. We have some cheeky W here. Now we need the second W because we have an M. So we need some consolidation. It's an internal liquidity range here, meaning that we have a range. It will take the lows, reclaim, it will take the highs, dump, and then until it finds a proper breakout. Yeah, it's sort of an accumulation Wyckoff here. How about grass token? Let's check the grass token. Well, how about it? Because I have no data. Grass USDT. It's too high. If you want to take some profits from your grass airdrop, take some profits here. But to buy, nothing. Nothing. Okay, let's see forcefully that I can nibble some here at $1. But I would aim for this area, 80 cents. But here, I don't touch it. It's a triangle here. Most likely it will sweep liquidity and then dump because that's what they like to do. Sui, 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 sui. Well, sorry. Despite um, we have a big game here. So despite Tau, I mentioned the faster it goes, the faster it dumps into 1.2, the better. The longer it stays here, the longer it will transform into sort of Kaspa. Who knows what I'm saying knows what I'm saying. So if a coin will not give you those good entries like it should, there we go. People from Discord and from Twitter, they know I called this Kaspa short dump a few months ago in September. Some of you remember about it. And why I said it will dump. I had all the reasons. I had 3 drives here. 1, 2, 3. And I saw the market broke down here with big volume. This M on daily was easy. And everyone started to yell out because I know Kaspa is a very loved coin and it's a VC coin. People started to find out. And the thing is that who, uh, I mean, I know who would buy here, but everyone was trying to shield you, Kaspa, to buy it here. That's what I hated about it, and I don't want Sui to become the Kaspa 2.0. And a very healthy thing for Sui to dodge that bullet of becoming a VC coin, it's for it to dump faster in the 1.2, let the public, not the public, because public will not buy here, public will buy here, sorry. Let the investors start to accumulate below $1, and then it can put the next leg higher, exactly like here. Because here, what we can do, it's actually just have sort of a bull flag, break to the upside, take liquidity, dump from that liquidity grab, retest range lows, do another swing failure of the highs, and spend shit ton of time here. I don't think you want to see that on a SUI. I don't know. I don't want to see that from an altcoin. From an altcoin, I want to see volatility dump, retest, make a nice W, and then go to Valhalla. This would be the ideal scenario. Some of you might understand, but others might not understand. I'm doing my best. Okay. Okay. hmm say it's in a good area. Actually, I bought some say. Okay, I bought just a little bit at this initial W. Okay, seems like my 20% dump was 80% dump was as I expected. We had it because someone asked me here at to buy 0.4. No, way lower. I'm even expecting say at 0.28, so way lower. Just my 2 cents, way lower. I'm expecting a dump here in 31 and 28, and even a swing failure of this highs. But technically, the bottom should be in because we have a bullish market structure shift. But we'll see. I mean, we cannot control what the market will do. Yeah. So if you want to start nibbling in, not a bad idea. Just with low amount. But definitely, I mean, look at this weekly M here. Weekly W. You can see it here. Ugly M. Retest, rejection. So it should go a little bit lower. Okay. Patience. Wait for these two areas. Pendle. Pendle. Ew, what do I have here? Holy moly. Man, this is not bullish at all. This structure is not bullish at all on Pendle. It's too... I don't like it. And we broke the structure here. I don't like it. I think we'll get a retest of at least this area or this area. No, it will dump. Pendle, it will dump. I think it will have something like this. And then you get a big juicy W. So if you want to buy some Pendle, and buy, even though I don't like 61.8 on altcoins, I would buy a 78.6 around here. 3.1, 2.6. To buy here at 4.4? No, 4.2, no, thank you. No, thank you. I better skip it and find some other coin. I mean, you are buying here at 61.8. This was a bearish retest. Look at 61.8 rejection. It can even sweep the current low here. So I would even maybe take that one and put it here. And then you'll say, oh my God, you're so bearish on altcoins. Because if I'm doing some TA, people will say that I'm bearish, not that. Okay, thank you for the TA. Let's wait with patience and get some fills. No, I'm bearish. If you buy at the top, you're bullish. I'm wondering. I'm wondering how it works. So I should buy the top to be bullish. And this stuff is so wrongfully understood, dude. I should buy the top to be bullish, and because I want to buy lower, I'm bearish. That's what I had really a lot of comments like that. It's interesting how people are thinking. So if you want to prove everyone that you're a bull, you have to buy all-time highs on coins. If you want to prove them that you're a bear, you'll say that it goes lower. Okay, next one. Oh, thank you, TK. That I'm trying to make a difference. I don't know, just my 2 cents. As much as I can. I'm trying to make a difference in the space. Arkham. I was looking at this one too because I want some Arkham. It's not looking bad, definitely. On daily, it's looking okay. But still, I think we'll get another dump around here. That one reclaimed. Maybe well, yeah, 3 equal lows, 4 equal lows, so maybe a dump here and then reclaim. So I think that can easily happen. A retest of this initial W here. Have some limit orders here. Maybe a little bit higher because I saw lately a lot of W's were front ran. Even though I don't like to front ran it, but I don't want to be a greedy goblin the next 6 months. Buy when it snows. Prime? Is that Amazon Prime or what Prime? Yeah, GME, that's a meme coin, if I'm not wrong. Prime USDT. Prime. Never heard about Prime. Prime. Well, not great, not terrible. This is a ABC correction here. And now we should dump. We should dump at least to this neckline here. So if you want to buy some, God knows what this coin is, I would suggest around here. 3.9. That would be a 50% dump. And if you love this coin and you went all in at the top, you will tell me that I'm stupid and it will never go there. And if you're smart and you're a proper investor, you'll tell me, oh, that's a nice level to buy. Thank you very much, Stefan. You see the difference? Okay, it's Prime, it's a gaming coin. Nice, interesting. I'll buy some, never heard about it. Never heard about it. Okay, Prime. Arb. Arb. Poor little Arb. Poor little Arb. This is a VC coin, you know. Well, you know how these coins will receive their salvation, to put it like that. Only through exhausted sellers. Once the sellers will get exhausted, they will have their 5 minutes. Until then, it's not good. Not good, not good, not good. So for DCA, yeah, maybe. We had some W's here, it failed. One more here on daily, it failed. Weekly M. So I think it's a range, technically speaking here. If you want to buy range lows, okay, that's all right. It's always a good idea. Man, you guys are active. I enjoy that. Make some noise there. You can say either thank you or I hate you because you always call for lower levels. I don't know. I would better focus on telling people that we go lower and maybe we get some better levels, and you know the idea, you know the drill. Then call higher and higher and higher and higher levels. That's retarded. That's retarded. We are not there yet. It will be the period when everyone will be right, and it will come the brain dead kind of environment when absolutely everyone will be right because market will be reaping, and they will be so proud to their obvious calls because they'll say market goes higher. No shit, in a bull market, yeah, market it goes higher. It's obvious that it goes higher, yeah. Uh, because you see, everyone is active when market goes up, and calling the market going higher when it goes higher, it's it's quite an impressive skill, no? Yeah, I don't think so. Um, mm, and if we are thinking back a little bit at the results, I'm not speaking about anything else, just the results. We have, I did a post last night. Um, Regarding investing, we are prepared. Yeah, we started about 2 years ago. And Paul managed to put, and I helped too. I mean, we managed to put really nice plans. I mean, we have the road to financial freedom, and also Miku helped a lot, where we had sort of a DCA plan where we started accumulated altcoins. We have Hand of Midas, which congrats to Bocian for his help. Bocian is a really nice dude and an insanely good asset uh, when it comes to DeFi. He knows his things around. He's trading only DeFi. He's really good at it. He's finding coins. And I think that Hand of Midas list performed absolutely insane. Um, this is just a sneak peek of how our Hand of Midas shit is looking like. I'm taking care of entries. I'm giving a lot of entries, and then we do the sell half on a double, and it performed absolutely nuts. And this list, for example, Hand of Midas show, because I mean DeFi, not public is not going for DeFi and stuff like that. It's for traders with experience. That's why we are keeping it from for premium side. Which, by the way, right now it's we are running really nice offers at the end of the year because I think 2025 is the year to make it. 2025, 2026, we will pick up everything that we planted. The seeds that we planted now, we will pick them up as insanely nice results in the upcoming 24 months. Last chance challenge is regarding the new altcoins, uh, like Arkham, for example, which we watched earlier. We have investment channel, which it's in part of the premium side, and on a daily basis, at least weekly basis, we have 2 3 charts a week posted there by our gladiators, and I absolutely love that area. And whenever I see someone posting there, I'm just nibbling and buying, and I've had insanely nice results. So I wouldn't skip that one. And then for the VIP part, which I'm taking care of, we have my own buy levels on altcoins. Everything that I'm expecting from the next period, I'm posting there. Plans, how to take advantage of the upcoming volatility and what levels I'm looking at. Everything is there. I have more than 60 coins already posted with all the levels. Um, and it's the same area. It's the same area where we manage to, let me show you, to get a glimpse of Tau. This is the buy levels that we had on Tau here. Yeah, 192 to 118. So these are just my investments. And on VIP, same stuff. We'll be running in the next period an offer. So we have whatever you might like from investment sides, from swing trades, day trades. We are doing that because we are offering that because we are here daily in the market. This is our job. This is what we are doing on a day-to-day basis, live streaming daily, and not only because we are also helping with the educational side. I don't know how long we will do that because it's taking a lot of time, the educational side. It's taking a lot of time to prepare documents, to take everyone hand by hand because we don't give you PDFs, PDF bye bye logic. No, we are actually 3 months we are taking care of you. And three, we are there to help you become a trader with journaling, with plans and everything. Well, okay, let's go. I'll be taking some more requests, guys. We are already 1 hour into the live. Upmo said the same stuff with Ondo. Yeah, VC coins. GPU, is that a coin or you're talking about my graphic computer card? Node AI? Well, Node AI, I don't have too much data about this one. It's interesting, but it looks like it's in a range here. You might be looking for some maybe a power of three, take all the liquidity here, and then go higher. I'd be looking at that. What do you think about Saga? Saga. Well, round bottom, I like this, and we have a proper retest here. I bought a little bit around here at 1.55, and I expect for it to dump from the bearish retest here, and maybe we can buy around here, 1.4 and 1.2. Technically speaking, bottom should be in. With probabilities, yeah. I'm not speaking with certainty. In trading, we have probabilities. We don't have the certitude of uh, the certainty of. There is no certitude. We have a proverb. I don't know. A saying. Only people are certain about the one thing. A smart person always thinks in probabilities. He's asking himself twice. He's putting the right questions, if, when, and stuff like that. A stupid person will say, "Yeah, definitely it will do that. Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, tomorrow, by the end of tomorrow, yeah, $10,000. No bear market, correction? No, impossible. There is no correction. Everything will go to all-time high tomorrow. So if you see behavior like that on public's favorite influencers, guys, just block them. Block them. Do yourself a favor. What about MPC? Ask Theodore. Theodor Tsopanakis, you're from Greece. Hello. Let's see. Okay. Or it can be from Macedonia too. A non-playable coin. Well, non-playable coin, this dear non-playable coin looks like it has a big, huge, damn ass M here. And they will tell you to buy again here. As I mentioned earlier, I think this bearish retest, because we'll have another bearish retest across the board. What we did here is just a breakout from the daily and weekly M. Look previously. So, okay, I'm stupid. I'm not right. I really don't care to be right. Probability speaking, we had an M, we had a retest. Everyone bought it here, I think, regarding public. And then we had a dump. Same stuff. M, retest, dump. Why should I buy it here, when I know it goes lower? At least here. Man, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal lows. Dude, just my two retarded trader sense. These lows are not safe. These lows are not safe. Okay, you might want to nibble a little bit here. I'm okay with that. 61.8, even though I'm not okay on altcoins, but okay, I'm on regular. I thought I'm on the other scale, logarithmic. But a sweep of this equal lows, guys, I think would be a 78.6, some structure here on the other side of the trend line. You know, all the coins are nice and shiny until they are not anymore. I remember Ton. Ton was so shield here. Man, it was insanely shield. Uh, 1 second. Ton. I don't have any ton post. Ah, it's impossible. Yeah, I'm sure I have, but they are just having fun and they don't want to find my ton post. But I said here when I saw everyone hyping about it, I said, okay, this is the local top of ton. Even the ecosystem, I know it reached all-time high around here. It reached the maximum number of users and stuff like that. And look weekly, dude. Weekly is looking like ass. M retest dump. Another M here. Okay, we might swing failure the lows. A retest again a dump. Well, where you want to buy ton? 61.8 is high. I would look for this area. I can see already with my bear. I can see the POC. What I did? Yeah, you can see the pocket that it's at 78.6. So buying blindly 78.6 is not a bad idea. Yeah, not great, but not bad either. You can get, you can start nibbling in some coins here. I'm not against that. I'm against buying here, 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 here. 0.5, it's named equilibrium with one purpose, meaning that you don't touch it, you just watch it. So you don't want to touch 0.5, you just want to let it be. You don't care what the price is doing there. Yeah. Next. Okay. Let's put some. Let's delete my squiggly lines because I think people will not understand what I want to say there. Okay. Next coin. Someone suggested me to look at GME. Look at GME. Well, not bad. Not bad. Hopefully this is the coin. If the name disappeared for a second. Not bad. It's a range here. Yeah, buying range lows is not a bad idea. Too much liquidity for my taste. I think it will take all the liquidity. When I'm looking at the weekly charts, guys, and daily charts, I'm thinking at a 5-minute chart because everything is the same in trading. It's not uh, rocket science. The same squiggly bars, they are on 5 minutes. You see them? Same squiggly lines are on 4 hours, and you get the idea. Everything is the same. It goes accordingly the same. So if I know that I have stuff like that, this is the week, the daily time frame structure on a lot of altcoins. Look what happened then. Yeah, and then took the lows and did a power of 3 and boom, higher. It's exactly the same stuff as on daily. You see it? Maybe. Yeah, you see this stuff? It's exactly the same stuff. Okay. This coin was sealed by ran from. Yeah. Luckily, I don't know too many people. Yeah. Sometimes ignorance is a blessing. I know only about 2, 3 good traders that I'm watching, and that's all. And when I'm getting my how was that word? But what's the word? Alpha. Man, I hate that word. When when I want to double check my bias and be sure that I'm on the right track, that's why I have PJ. Yeah, that's why we are two. Yeah, that's why I have him. I'm asking him from time to time, hey, what do you think about that one? What do you think about that one? And I've been really profitable with that. When I'm losing my bias, lately it didn't happen too much, but in the past I was losing my bias often because I was not having plans. I was not making plans. Aero and Axel. Let's check them. Nice breakout here. Let's see monthly. Nice breakout, not bad. Well, this is just a man. I don't know the word in English. I'll make a. I really don't know the word. One of the times when I'm using an entry for 61.8, it's when I have a weekly or monthly FEG inside the previous supply or demand area. So this is one of those times when I'll actually take a 61.8 entry. Let's go next one. Excel. Excel rows. Delete everything. Monthly. Ew, this monthly ejection is looking ugly. So it can even call for a retest of demand here. Candle body low on monthly. Mm, that would not be impossible. That's my 2 cents. Hey, Dalmudi, good night, man. I don't know, good. Thank you for waking up. I know it's like 3 or 4 a.m. to you. Yeah, I didn't have my coffee actually. Let's make a coffee, guys, and continue. And continue. No? Mm, confluence. No, exception was the word. Exception. So the only exception when I'm taking a 61.8 entry is when I have the right confluences. Yeah, there you go. Well, you're better. I mean, you're in the middle of the night and you're still uh more waken up than me. I enjoy my sleep. Okay. Mm, Aero, it's only Coinbase coin. Big volume. I did something wrong on Aero. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Well, still I'm waiting at 86 cents. I'm still waiting there. So yeah, I get your point, but still I don't feel like chasing it up here. Maker. By the way, guys, smash that like button. Ooh, let's get 30 likes. Ooh, this cheeky bricky neckline W. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, that's a good entry. And I should stop tagging everyone on VIP. No Dalmudi? Because I mean, if you want to take the coins, you can go on that corner. Yeah, I will not do that. R wave. Oh, AR, my dear AR. I'm pretty bullish on AR, to be honest. Ew, what do I have here? Ah, in my buy levels. Someone told me it will be impossible to get my fills. Well, we'll see. Yeah, they are logic buy levels. I like them. Okay, maybe you want to nibble a little bit here, 0.25. I'm all right with that. It's below 78.6, but man, look at that, at those last 3 weeks candles. Do you think that usually just stops like this? No, we get a big capitulation. Look at the 1, 2, 3, big week to the downside. 1, 2, 3, big week to the downside. We consolidated the week. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you get the idea. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, big week to the downside, and I'm revolving on those weeks to get my fills. That's how I'm trading. I really like to get my fills on based on weeks. Uh-huh, nice. Spec. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Spec, I gave it a few weeks ago. I gave Spec. I don't know if you guys saw it. I gave it even on Twitter, if I'm not wrong. I gave it even on Twitter. Maker. Ahash. Is that a coin, Dalmundi? C-pool. Let's check C-pool. Well, I accumulated some C-pool. You can see my areas. I bought here, 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 here. Now, mm, no, no, thank you. I bought here. I bought here. You could have saw already the levels. And this one, I think I posted a few months ago on VIP. These are the my buy levels from VIP. So I don't know. Maybe you're an investor. You don't want necessarily to trade, but man, do you think it's a good investment to maybe you have 50, 500,000 and you just want to nibbling and be in a good position for the bull market? You just want some buy levels. I do that. If I know that I'd get the value of, I mean, maybe you don't have time or stuff like that. You need spoon-feeded buy levels. That's why I'm there to spoon-feed you. Aero. Spec. Okay, spec. Let's go back on spec. Spec. Man, you guys are crazy. Okay. Spec, I gave it here at 7 bucks. I mentioned about it. I almost did a sell half on a double. It rejected the value area high, which is all right. Mm, yeah, I mean, this is the big W retest. I'm okay with it. Yeah, weekly W. But maybe buying here at POC would be a good idea. 8.35. Yeah, that would be a good point, good area. Investment level, yeah, because I'd like to sell at 38, then 69 bucks. I'm not selling it here. We are speaking about investments here, not about trading. Hopefully no one goes and buy my investments with all-in leverage and with stop losses on 1 hour. ZK, MPC. How do I get these levels? I made them up. No, it's just a lot of experience, and I see the levels of confluence. I see the volumes. I see the market structure, and I know where the market usually bounce. Just too much chart time. Way too much charting time. ZK. Let's see monthly. Let's see weekly. Weekly. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I already see something here on ZK. Weekly, first by area, daily. Yeah, ZK. Usually for my buy plans, I use volume profile, Fibonacci, lots of market structure from the weekly to monthly and daily, channels, ranges, and that's how I get my buy levels. I'm not necessarily aiming for buying 78.6, but usually if it falls exactly in my confluence, that's even better. ZK and MPC. I never heard of MPC USDT. Is this one? Oh wow, this coin looks like it's beaten to death. MPC. Gate.io? Maybe more? I don't know. Well, you can nibble some. You can nibble some. Why not? We have a power of 3 here and it's retesting it, so you can buy some here. Not a bad idea. Just sort of a DCA. We don't have any structure right now. You'd like to wait for a potential W breakout here, and then you want to buy the neckline. Maybe that would be a good idea. I think so. Even buying DCA in here, low amount, 0.25, 0.5. Guys, 25 likes. Let's make them 30. Please, let's make 30 likes. And drop your request in the chat here. I almost said in the chart. Gala, Rune, I love it. Gala USDT. Thank you too. That's why I'm here. It's my pleasure to do this. If I would have hated this, well, I wouldn't be here. And I think I don't know. You guys can tell me. I think you guys feel the fact that I really like this, and that's why people really enjoy these lives, and they enjoy what I'm doing on Twitter and what we do on our community. I absolutely love doing this. So I think you can feel it. Well, you want to be a greedy goblin? Okay, wait for a limit order. We have a big M. Maybe we retest, we reject once again. We sweep the equal lows here because we can see the same stuff happen here. When everyone said, okay, it's going to all-time high, we are in a good location, double and go higher. Well, exactly the same stuff happening here. Though, what's the difference between here and here is that we are getting closer and closer to the, how you name it in English, T minus point, where the altcoins should really perform the next 12 to 24 months. I know it's a big window, you guys. Some of you might not have patience. You want a pump until the end of tomorrow. You want all-time high. If you don't have patience, I don't know. Try to look for a second job maybe, and forget about investments and for about trading. Just buy and hold. And if you want to sell, if you want to know when to sell, be sure you're in the right community, guys. I'll start pushing uh, that button. Okay, maybe you don't need community, but have the right plan. And when the top will be getting closer, I suggest you to uh, close your Twitter. I suggest you to close your Twitter because what you will do, they will say it goes higher, and actually that will be the top because whenever they are calling higher, you can see it's actually coming the correction. so, so be careful with that. Okay, I'm having fun a little bit, but it is what it is. Rune, I see you guys already. Yeah. Well, I bought that monthly FEG violation there, but man, that weekly candle, holy moly, 3 months. Mm. I'll buy the same level if I get it. I think this candle needs a retest. I mean, this rejection on daily, it's just the beginning, just like you say. Look here, look here. And will say, no, it's impossible. It's absolutely impossible for my favorite coin to drop. 20% more. You're bearish. You're a bear. We can easily drop here in the 3.4 or even to 3 or 1.8 easily. I don't know, maybe I'm stupid, but I know I am, but I prefer to make money. But the same stuff we see here, it starts here. And target usually it's the lows here. No, 1.6 to 1.8 pointed a nice bottom here. I'm not saying this one will dump in 1.6 to 1.8, but at least wait for $3 here. Or be smart. I would wait for a retest of this big ass W. Yeah, it will dump. Look what it started here. It will dump, not a problem. Let's pause this one because everyone will say that I'm retarded. I can't wait. Actually, my probabilities will grow if everyone calls that. So yeah, waiting for a fill around there. Let's let the drawings. Maybe you guys enjoy my squiggly lines. Okay, rune. You guys milked me like a cow. You milked me like a cow. Pal. Pal, it's me or it's the coin? And still we don't have 30 likes. I don't like that. 26. Make it 30. 25 now. Thank you. Someone unliked. Perfect. I didn't say to tap twice the like button, guys. Neiro eat. Neiro eat. Guys, don't waste money on this crap coins. You can buy better coins than this. I would not touch this. I would not touch this. I would not touch this crap. Not even first Neiro, not second Neiro, not the third Neiro, not even the 10th Neiro. Man, I posted that rune chart and now everyone is calling short it. Oh my god. Oh my god, my brain hurts. My brain hurts. Any other request, guys? Any other request? We are approaching 1 hour and a half almost. Because I want to wrap it up. We made a lot of let's go back to Bitcoin, see what that one is doing. Okay, that's a nice pump. Still, it's 1 hour 50 minutes is bearish. What I'm looking for, it's actually a swing failure of the highs and then reject around here. Too many lines, wait. Not this one. This one? Yes, okay, there we go. Here, I'm waiting for this. Okay, let's not be that dramatic, but you get the idea. And maybe a retest of this previous low here for a pump. I need to put this chart because whenever I'm changing the time frame, the chart, it's the channel, it's changing, and then I'll be criticized that I don't know how to draw a channel. Okay. Well, guys, it was a really, really, really nice live. Um, Holidays are near, and I know people will start to slow down in trading, and it's not a bad idea. But please, I enforce this. I don't know how much time there will be because if we look at the 4 year cycles, we are close. Um, but okay, you're not trading, but at least offer some attention to investments. At least that. Investments takes about 3 hours, maybe 4 or 5 hours on a weekly time frame. Um, or if you want like really spoon-fed levels, we have that. So everything that I'm doing on a daily basis, me, Paul, the other gladiators, either can be meme coins, either can be altcoins, and all sorts of coins, DeFi. We have the plans made for them. You can find them on Premium, and actually you can take advantage of that offer that is running right now. Or if you want, exactly as I said, you want to zoom out, and because I know from my experience that December it's a horrible month. My statistics are so messed up at the end of the year. The volatility is out. Market is behaving absolutely ugly, absolutely ugly. So it's a very good period when you want to focus maybe on education. So think about Capua 1, Capua 2, if you're a trader and want to upgrade your skills and learn how to professionally navigate these markets. Or if you're looking for a community, we are here on a daily basis. Me and Paul, we are live streaming at the London, at the and at the New York trading session. And we are offering from investments to absolutely all the time frames. Someone is asking me how I am. Uh, I remember when I went to a coffee shop, was with my family, and I said, "Okay, give me two coffees." No, yeah, two coffees. And the coffee dude from that place, he asked me, "How do I feel today? How I am?" Uh, and it was so weird because you just want your coffee, yeah. You don't want people to be asking you, How are you today? How are you feeling?" And that crap. I mean, just give me my coffee and leave me alone. The same feeling I had here. So, I'm fine, thank you. I'm really, really fine. We are looking at some levels, some investment levels, Bitcoin, uh, and stuff like that. But yeah, but guys, leaving the jokes aside, November, December uh, is the period. November, December, January, okay, maybe even February. So I think we'll have 4 months where altcoins will be beaten up. Because the top on Bitcoin dominance will not happen in 1 week or one month. It will take some time because look at that bottom on Bitcoin dominance. It took 2 to 4 months to form. But I think we are closer to a top than to a bottom. Here you can see the weekly W. I think we can see a nice weekly M. You can- Man, for real, it was so weird. So I asked for a coffee, and he asked me if I'm all right today, if I'm feeling fine. I'm a very conservative person, and this type of approach is not the best one. Aevo. Yeah, we didn't discuss about Aevo. Let's see Aevo. Oh my God, this one is beaten up. I'm okay. Uh, Oh, is swing failure the low or not? Not yet. Yeah, wait for a SFU, a swing failure of this lows here, equal lows. And maybe you can invest some DCA. You guys are crazy. You guys want me to not finish this live? No? Oh my God. Having a good time. I'm good, Robert. Thank you. The Dino coins like Litecoin, XRP, both of them have applications for ETF. Alex, yeah, maybe, but I do not see an edge on those kind of coins. I mean, they will run definitely. I don't want to have a huge exposure in them. I want to limit it at 0.5, maybe 1%. I want to focus on coins that didn't have their 5 minutes, if you know that type of point. Um, Coins that are really at the range lows, um, and they have huge potential, good market cap. I mean, I have my fundamental analysis gladiators. I'm not doing that kind of stuff, guys. I'm not doing anything fundamental. So don't ask me because someone asked me about fundamentals. I have zero idea. I know Miku does fundamentals and he's posting. He takes 2 hours from his time per coin. I know Bochan is doing that, and some other gladiators, they are looking at fundamentals. But me, I have no idea. I know how to do it, but I'm not doing it. What are we speaking about there, Alex? What breakup structure and retrace to 0.5? On what coin? On Aevo? Hey, Carol. I think you guys have it a little bit delayed, like 10 seconds, so I get it. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Oh my God, you guys are really not letting me go back to sleep, going back to my nap. Well, Ethereum, Bitcoin, I made this drawing here. We'll see what we'll get. I'm expecting sort of a power of 3 because I looked at monthly. Let me show you why. Monthly, we are in a very, very, very good support level. But man, this monthly previous month candle closed so strong. This is the first S&R, major one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. I'm afraid of that bat. What kind of return do you expect from your investment portfolio? Grega, I used the chat GPT uh, to give me the previous market statistics and I made a spreadsheet of that. And the middle point, it's about 21x to 25x, like the sweet spot. I expect at least a 10x of my portfolio. In the lower side, sweet point would be a 20x. That's my target. Because I'm buying good levels. If you bought Tao at $600, do not expect a 20x. Expect a 6x or stuff like that. If you have patience and buy good levels, you will get your I think 10x is doable because we bought really good levels. But if you buy stupid levels, all-time highs, don't expect a 10x. Just my 2 cents. You can make a 7x or a 5x, and they'll say, "Oh my God, I'm so good that I listened to that influencer and I made a 5x. Insane! I'm such a good person." No, it's not working like that, guys. Smash that like. Let's get those 30 likes, guys. I'm going to spam you if we don't get 28. Okay, two more people. Okay. Yours. Let's check that one. Okay. You asked 3 times. Sorry, I'm blind. iOS. Ooh, why? Nice. Monthly. 3 months. What are you sending me? My man, Da Vinci fishing his new bull market car. Oh my God. Lolek and Bolek, dude. These are the Romanian Lolek and Bolek. You have the Polish ones too. Carol. Ah, that's funny. Oh my God. Yeah, exactly, Carol. Oh my God. Literally them. I love it. Oh my God. No, no, don't Moody. They're in the United States, in the country of freedom. I think you don't have that one. I think it might be too uh, against politically correctness. I don't know how to say it. You get the idea. Man, I know this consolidation here. I would like a retest of that, but yeah, I'll buy 78.6. I'll buy the below levels on 78.6. Thank you very much for that. I use. There you go. Okay. Thank you like for coin filler videos. Man, yeah, I think in this live I covered at least 20 to 30 coins. Crazy. Paul, make this private. Make this one private after I finish. 30 likes. We touched it. Oh my God. Okay. We are so free in the country. Well, yeah. Well, guys, you know where to find us. We have a nice website. If you didn't saw, oh my God, Alex, we have a nice website. If you guys didn't saw it earlier, we released it this month. Well, I'm not taking anything on 15 minutes, Alex. I'm expecting a swing failure here. I'll short here. I'll long here. Simple. If I get my 67.5, I long. If I get my 69.5, I short. Simple as that. Stupid simple. Yeah. So keep it simple. Follow the plan. Don't overcomplicate it. And especially that we have the elections. I expect a lot of manipulation news, a lot of liquidity grabs, stuff like that. Bang. Oh yeah. Someone posted meme coin. VIP. But you get the idea, guys. Well, to wrap it up a little bit, this kind of live streams you can get on a daily basis on Discord on Crypto Traders Arena. Uh, make yourself a favor and surround yourself with proper communities in the next 12 to 14 months, because the price you will pay for that, it will be the price that you will give back to the market. And I'm not sure how many people are okay to round trip 5 digits, 6 digits profits, or even more. I don't know, just my 2 cents. Because I saw FOMO and I saw how FOMO is building up. The closer that we get to a top, it will be so much noise that it will be absolutely impossible for you to think in the right manner, especially if you don't have a plan. So I think it will be actually impossible for anyone to execute without a plan at the peak of the bull market, and people will not sell. Actually, crazier is that a lot of people will buy there because the vibe that we'll have on Twitter and worldwide in the news and everything like that, it will be a huge noise, and it will make you think that okay, I have $500,000 made in profits and stuff like that in my investments. What if it goes to 10 million? What if it goes to 5 or 2 million? And this question will kill you day and night, day and night, day and night. And because you don't have a plan in place, you will not know how to execute. That's why you need a good plan and you need a good community to surround yourself with. Traditional market. S&P 500 to put the trades there. That's what you're mentioning. Nasdaq and S&P. In 16 hours, you will have predictions on CNN. Thank you, Alex, for that one. I didn't know. Well, okay. Uh, well, guys, was fun and all, fun and games. I enjoyed this live. Was really really nice. But I think it's time to call it a live and see you guys in the next trading session. Oh my God, Rune, cool price. You guys are killing me. Yeah, I'll do it, Dalmudi. I'll do it. Okay, let's look. I looked at Rune. I look at Rune. I mentioned about this $2 level. Yeah, I looked at it. It's done. I expect a dump, guys. I don't know. I'm stupid, but this is not bullish. This is not bullish. Let me repeat one more time. This is not bullish. Yeah, I need a retracement. At least give me $3, $3.2, something like that. Okay, that being said, guys, I'll call it a session. I'll go and trade with VIP and I'll look at some levels. Maybe we can find some meme coins and stuff like that. Maybe Carol will post another banger in the Degen section. He posted a nice banger a few days ago, or when it was yesterday. When was that one, Carol? Yesterday. Man, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Was a banger on Huggies. So nice call. Uh, thank you very much, guys. This week, all Discords have access to Degen. Well, after that call, Paul, we should give Carol a vacation in somewhere where it's hot. Thank you very much, guys, and hear you in the next trading session. Bye bye.